Leo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update, March 1 to 15, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay. Leo, let's see. Pa-follow na rin sa TikTok tsaka sa Facebook. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Progressions journey. So, nagkakaroon ng improvement sa mga projects mo ngayon, sa trabaho mo ngayon, sa career mo. Some of you, meron kayong literal na paglalakbay, no? So, pwedeng may travels kayo. Ngayong first half ng March. Pwedeng ito ay long distance travel, or pwede rin local travel, short distance travel. You also have trine and sextile symbiosis. So ngayong first half ng March, you might be collaborating or working with other people. In case na meron kang challenges na pagdaanan, merong support na darating sa'yo. Someone is willing to help you, to give you assistance. And then, meron ding opposition dito. Some of you may be confronting a situation sa buhay mo. So, this can be a situation sa relationship, sa trabaho, sa career path. So, ano tong i-confront? In what area? Oh, I think this is something about your subconscious, no? Ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo pinapansin or hindi mo pinagtutuunan ng attention. Pero nandyan siya. Alam mo yun, na parang, this can be yung mga issue, problema mo na instead na bigyan mo ng solusyon, hindi mo siya pinapansin kasi iniisip mo na baka mawawala na lang or mare-resolve na lang on its own. But, I see you na you will be finally confronting yourself, no? Maaring alam mo kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong i-let go, kailangan mong i-work out. So, some of you may shadow work na gagawin, no? Ngayong first half ng March. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Page of Cups. Overall energy ninyo. I think this first half ng March, meron kayong mga plano on how to start doing your pangarap, no? Yung pangarap mo, yung dreams mo. This is also imagining things. Maaring you are becoming more creative. Ngayong first half ng March, may mga projects ka. Can be sa business, sa career mo. And then your challenge is the Page of Wands. Ang challenge sa'yo ay yung action. Na yes, meron kang mga goals, may mga pangarap ka. Pero ang tanong is, are you willing to do the work? Handa ka ba na mag-explore? Handa ka ba na mag-discover ng mga bagay tungkol sa'yo? Let's say, meron kang interest na magnegosyo. So, syempre, interest lang yan, hindi yan mangyayari kung hindi ka magte-take ng action. So, yun yung challenge sa'yo kung paano mo sisimulan, kung paano ka magte-take ng action dun sa mga plano mo, dun sa mga pangarap mo. Your opportunities, the Three of Pentacles. Maganda to as an opportunity because this is about collaboration. This is about contracts, meeting new people. I feel like ngayong first half ng March, focus ka sa career path mo or projects mo or anything related to your finances. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong kayong papasuking agreement with some people, no? Pwedeng business partnership pero marami kayo doon. This is also career growth for some of you. You have the opportunity to grow your finances, grow your career. And then your blessing is the Five of Swords. So, as a blessing, I feel like this is you releasing anything na alam mong hindi maganda na behavior mo. Kasi minsan aware naman tayo dun sa unhealthy habits or behavior natin, kaya lang hindi natin inaayos. So, like what I mentioned kanina, you may be doing some shadow work. So, ngayon, you are becoming more open sa pagbabago. Kasi 5 is also about change. Yung iba sa inyo may nagbabago yung isip nyo, yung pananaw nyo sa isang bagay. This can be sa relationship. Let's see in what area of life. Ninth house, this is about your belief system, yung learning mo. I also see you, merong opportunity for you to work sa ibang bansa or magkaroon ng long distance travel, no? And as a blessing, 5 of Swords is about competition. So, maaring kung kayo ay sasali sa competition, kayo yung mananalo sa competition na yan. Money, career, finances for Leo. 8 of Pentacles, you're going to master your skills, your craft, focus on your career, doing a lot of work. Methodical to step by step, no? So, maaring talagang iba sa inyo nakafocus sa career, sa finances ninyo. You also have the 5 of Pentacles. Pwede kasing nagkaroon ka ng financial struggle and gusto nyong ayusin, gusto nyong remedyohan, gusto nyong i-improve yung inyong finances. Sa love life and family, you have the 4 of Wands, celebration. Maaring may major celebration within the family, or pwedeng iba sa inyo ikakasal, or merong malaking event. This is also fulfillment ng mga pangarap nyo pagdating sa bahay. So, pwedeng yung family nyo, you're going to move to a new place, a new house, or magmamigrate kayo. So, yung mga ganong plano, and I feel like you are really happy about this changes sa buhay nyo. 9 of Pentacles. So, this is stability in your relationship. Ibig sabihin nito is pareho nyo natutugunan yung pangangailangan ng bawat isa sa inyong relationship. If you're single, maaring magpo-focus ka lang muna sa sarili mo. Oo. Kumbaga, you are building your own empire, na hindi porket single ka, malulungkot ka na kasi meron kang attention ngayon na yun yung nag-i-inspire sa'yo to be a better version of yourself. Iba sa inyo nagkaroon kayo ng challenge talaga. And now, you are recovering. No, you are recovering. With the phoenix here, ikaw yung rising from the ashes. It's like a rebirth, bagong ikaw. Iba sa inyo rito, nag-enjoy naman kayo being single or being alone, kasi parang mas nakakahanap kayo ng peace of mind. But when it comes to working with others, collaborating with others, open naman kayo dyan. Especially in your career path. Some of you maaring may leadership role na i-assume, like pwede kayong mapopromote sa trabaho, or meron kayong leadership role, like magiging OIC kayo, supervisor. Acceptance, embrace who you are. Ayan. So, tatanggapin mo ang pagiging ikaw, no? Kasi minsan, binabago natin yung sarili natin para sa ibang tao, para matanggap tayo, para ma-validate tayo. But in the end, nasasaktan lang tayo kasi hindi talaga tayo in alignment dun sa gusto natin, dun sa totoong tayo. So, you will embrace who you really are. Pahahalagahan mo kung ano yung kakayanan mo, sino ka talaga. So, kuha tayo ng Astro Dice for Leo. You have the 10th house, Aries, Sun and Aries in the 10th house. Wow. So, talagang career. Kanina ko pa to sinasabi sa inyo. Focus kayo sa career. I think may mga bago kayong project ngayon. May sinisimulan kayo. It's either sa business, sa career ninyo, and you have a lot of confidence para gawin to at ipagpatuloy to. Okay, so that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.